Hello kids, so today we are going to start a new block 7, where what we are going to do, we are going to learn one lesson, the only elephant in the school, okay? And also, what are we going to learn from this while reading the lesson? See, to make text to self-connection means while reading the lesson, how that lesson is compared with our life, how it is there. So each and every sentence while reading, we want to compare everything. If what happens, if it happens in our life, okay? So like that, we want to compare the text with our. So there must be a connection. We want to connect every situation to our life, and also write something about friends. Normally, we have many friends. In the story also you can observe there are some friends, okay? So like that, we want to write something about our friends. What do you do normally with your friends? How do you like them? Why do you like them? And what are the different things about them? That all you want to write. And one more thing is about the jumbled words. Normally we are learning many words from your LKG, UKG. So every class you are learning many words. Until now we had gone through 6 lessons in our English and also in many subjects, even in your science, EVS, and also in the maths. We come through many words. You want to try to remember each and every word. See, previously we did making words like U, A, I, C, A, K, L, M, O. Like this I am giving many alphabets. What did I ask you to do? To make the words. If I asked to make some words, can I do any word from this? Just try to frame. Can you? So you want to try. So how to make these words? That is a different task. Okay. But when I give only some words, some alphabets like T, C, A. Here I give only 3 alphabets. So from these alphabets, you want to frame a word. That means when you remember some words, then you can try and you can do that. Because here I asked you to frame some words, means any words. You can make 3 words, 4 words, 5 letter words, 6 letter words, or how many words you want to try and you want to do. But here I am giving you only 3 alphabets. Basing on that, you want to remember, you want to recollect whatever the words you know, and you want to frame. So I can write it as CAT, cat, 80 words. Okay. So in that way, jumbled words means any word can be given. Means a word will be taken just by changing the order of the alphabets. That you want to rearrange them. So whatever the words you are learning, you are seeing, everything you want to remember that one. Then only you will be able to do this. But since we are discussing it for our IEO exam, okay. What we want to do? We want to recollect all the words which we know and we want to read each and every word. Already we started learning from our previous classes. So now you want to go through many. So you are going to get some clues in the form of a picture. If I give a picture like this and if I say A, L, B, L. So what is this? It is very easy for you to say B, A, L, L, ball. Yes? In this way you will get some clues. And basing on that, you can write. And also, the remembrance, the memory, how much you have basing on that, you want to recollect them. Okay kids? So basing on that, let us read our story, try to collect more words, try to remember more words, and we can complete our task today. Okay, are you ready? Just open your textbook, all of you.
The only elephant in school. So this is the title of our story. Title is the name given for a lesson. Okay, so in this you can see there are many children. Can you see? But why the title is the only elephant in school? If you see the picture, you can find that among all there is only one elephant. Are there more elephants? No, it is single. Can you see where the elephant is sitting? It is sitting in the corner of the class, while all the other animals are sitting together. Now see the title, the only elephant in school. And can you see above there is a word called genre? What type of story it is? So the genre tells us what type of story it is. It is an adventure and fantasy. Fantasy is nothing but it is not real. Adventure means we are going to do something different. So it is an adventure story. And can you see the keywords down? Storm and thunder. Children, do you know what is storm and what is thunder? Storm means heavy rain with strong winds. The wind is blowing and rain is falling very heavily. It is called as storm. And what is thunder? When it is raining, did you ever hear some sound? Loud noise with some lightning. That is called as thunder. So these are the two words, new words. Okay? As our aim is text to self connection, whenever we are reading the lesson, we want to think that we are there. So what happens to us if we are there in that place? What happens to us? And also jumble words means each and every word you want to remember, you want to change the word and you want to find what the word is. So if the words are given in reverse, we must be able to keep them together and frame a correct word. For that, each and every word we want to observe carefully while reading every subject. Okay, so let us read each and every word and let us find out. Now see page number 46 and follow the text what I am reading. Chotu is the only elephant in school. He sits in the last bench. Nobody talks to him. He has no friends. Children, can you think like this? Staying in the school, sitting lonely in the last bench and no one talks to us. How do you feel really? And do you think how the elephant is feeling? So really it is very bad to hear. So who is the story about here we are reading? According to the title, we are reading about the elephant. What does he do? Can you see? He is sitting in the last bench. And why is Chotu sad there? Can you see? Yes, he is sad. Because we can think that he has no friends. That's why he might be sad. And you can see that he is the only elephant sitting in a corner. Yes? So did you ever feel such thing? Okay, let us move to the next page, 47. He is too big, says the monkey. He has a funny nose, says the tiger. He is too fat, says the parrot. He is not just like us, says the zebra. Now can you see here? There are other animals who are teasing the monkey here. Now what is the monkey saying? Monkey is saying that he is too big. Can you see there? Monkey, parrot, tiger and zebra are there. And monkey is saying that the elephant is too big. And can you see what is the tiger saying? It is saying that his nose is funny. Can you see the nose of the elephant? Yes, the tiger is saying that the nose of the elephant is funny. Now what about parrot? He is too fat. Parrot is saying that elephant is too fat. And see the zebra, what it is saying? He is not like us. Can you find anyone same looking same? No. Zebra is saying that he is not like us. It is true that everyone will be really different. Can you find the similarities between different animals? No, we can't find the similarities. They will be different. So did you ever meet such friend commenting on you, teasing you, and did you ever feel really sad because of that? So if you have faced such circumstances, such situation, you also must not do such thing. Means you must not comment on other friends. You must try to make friends with others. Okay. Now let us find what is the meaning of jumble words here. Now can you see these words, children? TUOHC. Is there any meaning for this alphabets? You can observe every word like that. Is there any meaning? No, you cannot find any meaning. But see here. You can find some meaning if we arrange them. The first one is Chotu, elephant, nose, talks, zebra. Already we know these words, but we want to arrange them in proper way. So, every word what we are learning in our class, we want to observe it very carefully, because we may get it like this and we want to observe it carefully and we want to make a new word. That is the jumble. Now let us see the page number 48. Can you see there? Yes. Let us find what is happening with Chotu here. So we observed that all are teasing Chotu. Now what happened to Chotu? See, Chotu is sad. So Chotu sits in the last bench all by himself. So no one made him to sit in the last bench because he is sad. Chotu is sitting in the last bench and he is not being with other friends, not playing with them, not talking to them. He is sitting single there. Now see the second paragraph. One day, there's a storm. Bada boom, bada bash. It's thunder. The teacher sends everyone back home. There is no school today. So what happened one day? There's a storm. Means heavy rain is there, wind is blowing, and everyone can hear the thunder also. Bada boom, bada bash. That is the way how the teacher is describing the thunder. Means a big sound, a loud sound is there. So the teacher, what does the teacher do here? She sends everyone back home and says that there is no school today. So did you ever experience teachers saying no school and go home? Yes, present in this situation in the corona time, we are sitting at home, no school, because there will be problem if corona spreads. Same way here, because of thunder and storm, there might be problem for the kids, the animals. That's why teacher asks them to go to home. There is no school today. Now see the next page, page number 49. What is happening there? Chotu is walking on the road. He can hear the others behind him. They are laughing at his thin tail. Chotu tries not to cry. So what is happening here? Chotu is walking on the road and the friends are there behind him. They are talking about him. They are laughing about his tail. They are commenting, but Chotu, it is trying not to cry, because crying is a bad habit. Sometimes others may tease us, but we must not cry. Are there any similarities between you and Chotu, children? So Chotu is going to school and you are also going to school. So friends are commenting Chotu. Did you ever experience such thing that others are commenting on you? So if something is there, just think over and find whether any friend commented on you or you commented on your friends. Okay, now let us go to the next paragraph. Suddenly Chotu hears a crash. He turns around. A tree has fallen down and there are two monkeys under it. Chotu runs to them. So can you see in the picture, children? Yes, there is a sudden crash. Can you see what happened? Why the crash came? Why can we able to hear that sound here? Because a tree had fallen. When the tree had fallen down, Chotu heard the sound. He heard the sound, a crash sound. And you can see that it had fallen. The tree had fallen on the monkeys. Where are the monkeys? They are under the tree. And what is Chotu doing here? Chotu is running to help them. Did you ever help your friends like this when they are in danger? Think when you helped them. Okay. Now let us move to the next page, page number 50. Can you see in page number 50 what is happening? See, he lifts the tree with his trunk. What is Chotu doing? Chotu is lifting the tree with his trunk. Now what happened? Thank you, Chotu, say the monkeys, and Chotu smiles. Because Chotu helped the monkeys felt very happy and they are smiling. Now you can see Chotu is there with the monkeys. The monkeys hugged the Chotu. So if you help anyone, though they teased you, really they will become friends. So try to help, though anyone comments you or does anything for you. Still, we must not cry. We want to try to help. Okay, then only we can make friends with our surrounding people or anyone. Okay, now let us move to the page number 51. What happened there? See, the next day the sun is shining. Chotu is sitting in the last bench with a friend on both sides. Can you see there, children? You can see that now Chotu is not single. He is not the only elephant sitting in the corner. You can see the monkeys are there with Chotu and they all became friends. Okay. Now let us see the glossary. Storm. Heavy rain with strong winds. Already we explained. Yes. So rain is coming and the wind is blowing. Then we can say it is a storm. Thunder means a loud noise, sometimes heard after the lightning. Now children, you read the glossary, the lesson, and try to collect more words in your brain. So even by seeing the pictures or by seeing a word, you want to identify the word though it is given in different order. Means if the letters, the alphabets are not arranged in proper order also, if you learn many words, you will be able to do that. So basing on this, let us complete the worksheet and also a LP. Now open page number 42 in your volume. Can you see the pictures and also some sayings? Who said this? Match the pictures with the sentences. So some sentences are there. Already we discussed. The monkey said something, zebra, tiger, and even the parrot said something about elephant. Try to remember them and you do the matching here. Okay? And you can see the second question. Chotu loves to sit on the last bench with his friends. Draw what you like to do with your friends and write about your friends. Okay? So there is a box in that you want to draw something about your friends, what you like to do, and down you can see two lines, I am. So you can write about yourself, a sentence, maybe you are doing what you are doing with your friend or something. Okay, and I like to, what do you like to do? So just frame a sentence and complete your volume page number 42. And regarding the jumble words, I gave you some pictures here in this worksheet. Basing on the pictures, try to complete the jumbled words. The letters, the alphabets are given in different order. Try to complete them by seeing the picture. Okay? And you complete the worksheet and send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, kids? Thank you.